Tired of hunting for the user license setting in Salesforce? Change it in 60 seconds with this exact path. I'll walk you through the 9 clicks needed from the gear icon to saving the change. Let's go. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, from that menu, select Open Advanced Setup. In the Quick Find box that appears, type Users to filter the setup items. Now, click on Users in the search results to open the user list. Find the user you want to modify and click the drop-down arrow next to their name. From the drop-down, choose Edit User to open their settings. Scroll down to the User License field and change it to Identity. A confirmation message will pop up. Go ahead and click OK. Finally, click Save to apply the change. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.